Good morning students. Now we are going to discuss about appreciation of the poem The Road Not Taken. Let's discuss points those are very important while writing appreciation. Title, the poet, rhyme scheme, figures of speech and central idea along with characteristics. Students, you have to write appreciation in paragraph format, but while writing appreciation in paragraph format, you must keep the given points in your mind. Students, let's examine an appreciation of the poem. The title of the poem is The Road Not Taken. This poem has been written by Robert Frost, a celebrated American poet. He is a 4-time Pulitzer Prize winner in poetry. This poem is a metaphorical poem. The rhyme scheme of each stanza of the poem is A-B, A-A-B. The poet has used various figures of speech to give the greater poetic effect. The figures of speech such as metaphor, alliteration, repetition, inversion, exclamation, etc. are used in this poem. The example of metaphor is two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Here, the poet compared two roads with two career options indirectly. The prominent figure of speech used in this poem is metaphor, as the roads symbolize the choices we come across in life. Several kinds of poetic devices have been used in this poem, like imagery and symbolism. The tone of the poem is reflective. The theme of the poem is the choices that a person may face in his life. It is about the selecting the right approach to life through making bold and correct decisions. The poem revolves around the image of a man standing in the middle of a wood where two roads diverged. The contrast between a grassy and worn-out road adds to the overall effect. In this way, we have seen appreciation of the poem. Thank you.